Pronunciation Pro.
Pronunciation Pro.
Hello again, it's Annie from Pronunciation Pro. If you're watching this, you're probably someone who works incredibly hard, someone who is talented, capable, dedicated, but who still doesn't feel fully confident speaking English. And I want to tell you something. You are not alone, and nothing is wrong with you. You simply need the right training and the right support. That's why I created Pro Plus Flow, and why for Black Friday, I'm offering 50% off the membership. And you keep that discount for life. Inside the program, you'll get professional training from licensed speech pathologists, me and our other trainers, personalized feedback, daily AI speaking practice, and a community of international professionals who understand your journey. If you want to show up with confidence, if you want to speak clearly, if you want new opportunities and more leadership in your career, this program was built for you. The Black Friday deal offer ends November 30th, and I would truly love to welcome you inside. Okay? The link is below. Come join us. Today, we are talking about something that has the power to change your English journey and your life. The idea is simple, but it is transformative. Be 100% responsible for your results. Okay, this idea comes from a talk by Lynn G. Robbins called Be 100% Responsible. Now, I remember being there listening to this speech, and it had such a profound impact on me and my life and the direction that I took my life from that point. And it's one that I review frequently in my own life. And even in my parenting, I brought this speech up to my kids. Actually, last night we reviewed this with a few of my kids who were struggling to take responsibility for the choices that they were making in their life. And as I'm being reminded of this, I'm realizing, oh, this is just such a powerful concept for all of us to truly understand, and especially when it comes to English language learning. So in this talk, Lynn G. Robbins, he explains how we sometimes unknowingly fall into patterns that take away our power. Patterns like blaming, avoiding, complaining, or waiting for others to solve our problems. He calls this the anti-responsibility list. But when we choose to take full responsibility, 100% responsibility, we step into our power. We take control, and we begin to grow in ways that we didn't think were possible. So for you as an English learner working towards confidence and clarity and leadership in the English language, this principle is everything. Okay, so what does 100% responsibility mean? Being 100% responsible means recognizing your progress is in your hands. It's not your teacher's hands, in your teacher's hands, or in your boss's hands. It's not in your coworkers' hands, or not in the culture's hands. Okay, when you say, I choose to practice, I choose to speak even when I'm nervous, I choose to keep going when it's hard, you take ownership of your voice. And like I always say, your voice is powerful. Okay. Lynn Robbins tells us a really powerful story in this speech that illustrates this concept. Okay. So he's actually a leader in my church, but before he was a church leader, he co-owned a company that taught time management seminars. So each seminar required a shipment of materials, so planners, binders, and guidebooks. And they were prepared by 2 employees in their distribution center. The problem was that errors kept happening in these deliveries. So materials were missing, quantities were wrong, and shipments were late. And whenever Robbins addressed the mistake, the employees always had excuses. They'd say, the order form had errors. It's not our fault. Or the freight company delivered it late. It's not our fault. Or another department packaged things wrong. It's not our fault. They never believed they were responsible. So the mistakes continued. Then one day, a very important pilot seminar for a major company arrived without the seminar guidebooks. The client was furious. The company nearly lost $1 million account. So something had to change. So Robbins created a new incentive. He said, for every shipment done correctly, those 2 employees earned a bonus. But if there were any mistake, they lost the entire bonus. And the bonus was per month, okay? They'd lose the entire bonus. And here was the key. They were 100% responsible for the shipment, no matter where the error occurred or where it started, okay? If the form was wrong and filled in incorrectly, they were still responsible, okay? If the freight company delivered it late, they were still responsible. If another department packaged it incorrectly, they were still responsible. At first, they said, well, that's not fair. But Robbins explained, when you blame others, you give away your control. Responsibility is what gives you the power. And once the employees accepted responsibility, everything changed. So they began to double check order forms. They shipped the materials earlier. They labeled and reviewed every box. They called the client ahead of time to confirm the delivery. And guess what? The errors stopped. They earned their bonuses month after month. But more importantly, they discovered the power that comes from taking full responsibility. Because when you blame others, you give away your power. When you take responsibility, you take your power back. All right, so let's talk about this concept, and specifically about the anti-responsibility kind of habit. So we all slip into these patterns that feel comfortable, such as blame and excuse and complaining and avoiding and procrastinating, but they hold us back. Okay, so let's look at how these show up maybe in your English language journey and what they could look like from your perspective. So from the I'll talk about the anti-responsibility habit, and then how it sounds maybe as it relates to English learning. And then we'll talk about a more empowered replacement, empowering replacement of that concept. So anti-responsibility habit of blaming may sound like, well, my teacher never taught me correct pronunciation. I learned it incorrectly because my teacher, when I was learning English, didn't have a native accent. And so I never was taught it correctly. Okay, an empowering replacement is, well, I can learn the correct pronunciation now. Okay. All right. Anti-responsibility habit, excuses, making excuses. Okay. How it might sound. I don't have time to practice. Okay. Empowering replacement. I schedule what matters to me. Okay. How about complaining? Maybe native speakers talk too fast. That can be changed to, I'm learning strategies to understand faster speakers. How about avoiding? Okay, it might sound like, I'll speak when my English is perfect or when my English is better. I'll speak up when my English gets better. And in a more empowering statement would be, speaking up is how I become confident. Okay, speaking is how I become more confident. That is the path. And how about waiting or procrastinating? Okay, it would sound like I'll feel confident once people kind of accept me, or once people are more patient with my English. Okay, and a more empowering statement would be confidence comes from practice, not permission from other people around me. I get to choose. Okay. When you choose responsibility, your brain shifts from I can't to how can I? And that shift changes everything. Okay. So remember, your accent does not control you. Your mistakes do not define you. Your past does not determine your future. You are the one who creates your clarity of speech. It's by your actions, it's by your routines, it's by the habits that you create to improve. Okay. You are the one who builds your confidence, both by practice, building practice, and building the mindset around it. You are the one who chooses to show up, to speak up, and to keep going. No one else can do this for you. And no one else has the power to stop you. Very, very important. Okay. This week, I want you to try something simple. Whenever you hear yourself think, or you kind of have that voice in your head that says, this is too hard. I don't have time. I'm not ready. Okay. Pause and ask, how can I take responsibility in this moment? Then take one small step forward. Maybe read out loud for 2 minutes and focus on slowing down, moving your mouth, speak up. Maybe practice a specific target sound like the TH sound or the past tense ED endings or the B's and V's, B, V difference. Okay. Read out loud and kind of focus on those clear sounds. Maybe join in on a conversation that you would otherwise avoid. Send a voice message or answer the phone when someone calls and you're feeling nervous about answering. Speak up in a meeting and see what happens. Okay? Small steps build leaders. Okay? You are capable, you are powerful, and you are becoming an excellent English speaker, okay, an English communicator. And when you take 100% responsibility for your voice, you unlock a level of confidence that no one can take away from you. All right. This pattern of overcoming these anti-responsibility habits takes time. You know, we have some habits in place that are natural for our, as humans that we do. We want to avoid, we want to blame, we want to make excuses. But when you become someone who doesn't give in to that anti-responsibility list, and you choose more empowering, more, and take 100% responsibility for the results in your life, that's when things take off. That's when you see this success. That's when you have the power to do something about the results in your life or where your life is headed. Okay, taking 100% responsibility is hard. It's easier said than done, but it is something that I've been practicing for years and years, and I have seen for myself, and that it is life-changing. You know, taking responsibility and saying, okay, these other people, I have to navigate this other situation, these other people. I can't control them, but I can control myself. And I'm 100% responsible for what happens in that interaction. It changes things. It opens up opportunities, and you will be shocked at the results. And I know that you have a level of this already. So many of my students at Pronunciation Pro have this concept of taking responsibility and being very humble and teachable and saying the results of my life are for me to create. And you may have been beat down by a lot of hard situations, but I promise you, if you take responsibility and you don't fall into that anti-responsibility trap, you take full responsibility and you say, I am going to be the creator of my life and creator of my English communication, then you will experience success. I promise you. Okay. All right. I'm here for you. I believe in your voice. Let's keep going. If you want to work together, please come to Pronunciation Pro. You can download the Pronunciation Pro app. Here in the coming months, we're going to have some free courses and things to kind of get you going on it. But we have the Pronunciation Pro app where you can sign up and go through a trial. We have private lessons that you can sign up and work with a private trainer. Those private lessons, we want to work with you for the next at least 6 months. But the confidence that you'll build in the next 6 months is crazy. So if you want a very confident new year and 2026 is your year for confidence, it's time to seriously start moving forward and come get started here at Pronunciation Pro. We would love to work with you. All right. I hope this has helped, and please pass this on to friends and family. Review it in your podcast, and let me know how you're feeling. We love comments. All right. Thank you. Have a great day. See you next time. Bye.
Pronunciation Pro.
Pronunciation Pro.
Pronunciation Pro.